Would you ever consider paying $34 for a lighter? What about $125? That's the price range of a Zippo lighter. Expensive? Yes. But people insist these beloved lighters are not only functional, but a sentimental little treasure. The first Zippo was produced in 1933, and it quickly rose to prominence during World War II. Since then, these lighters have become synonymous with the US military and have gone on to become super popular in pop culture, Hollywood, and on Broadway stages. 87 years later, Zippo manufactures about 70,000 lighters per day in their Bradford, Pennsylvania facility. We got a look at how these lighters are made. The process begins with large sheets of brass being shaped into the case's top and bottom pieces. After the case is put together, the pieces go into a nickel bath, which acts as an adhesive for the chrome finish. Once they're rinsed in the bath 5 times, they'll go into the chrome tank for 4 minutes, then emerge as a shiny chrome-plated case. About 3,400 pieces are chrome-plated every hour. Next is creating the lighter insert. This